Hi, this is Desiree with WTI, and if you're looking to elevate your whiskey experience, then you're gonna need Mr. Smokesome's Charred Wooden Stone Set. Now, there are so many reasons that I've enjoyed this stone set. They come in a variety of flavors and they are charred. So they come in a set of 4 and 6, and they're ready for any whiskey enthusiast or if you're just getting into whiskey. I love that it has a convenient freezer tray, ensuring easy storage and use. And also, well, cleanup is a breeze, simply rinsing with soapy water and air dry on a dish towel. Now, each set offers a unique rustic appeal, which is an ideal gift for any whiskey lover. With charred flavors of either cherry, oak, or hickory, it's going to mimic that charred oak aging process with every sip you take. It's an ice cube that chills your drink, but with less dilution than your regular ice ball and with more flavor than your metal ice cubes. Now, I enjoyed sharing these charred wooden ice cubes with family and friends to experience. It makes for a good conversation starter, but that's just my point of view.